Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Today, on the International Day of Biodiversity, let us try to know something new about an integral part of ourselves. Biodiversity is the greatest treasure we have. Biodiversity is the way, so don't let nature go astray. From the last 15 to 16 months, many changes are faced by the humanity on earth, and many new issues have come also. And biodiversity conservation is also one of them. Every year on 22nd of May, Biological Diversity Day is celebrated at an international level. Biodiversity Day 2021 is being celebrated under the theme We are the part of the solution hashtag for nature. On the International Day for Biodiversity, we proclaim to the world that the solutions to our problems are found in nature. For a society that is so technologically advanced, it sounds like a radical idea. But in reality, it is something fundamental that we all know deep down. As a virus born from the wilds grinds the gears of the economy and people's lives changes overnight. The COVID pandemic has become a pivotal moment of realization for humanity. Like migratory birds fly across continents and see no borders, people around the world are realizing that human health is completely connected to the health of nature, and that we are all in this together. The year of 2020 has made us realize that the transformative changes in our society is possible and urgent also. And the current crisis shows all of us that the change can happen quickly if there is the will. Now, let us talk another side of the coin. Have we ever thought that what makes species disappear? After plants and animals, will we be the next to become extinct? What we can do to protect the biodiversity? So, ladies and gentlemen, it's all linked to biodiversity. We, human beings, are responsible to answer all such questions. First of all, the meaning of biodiversity is biological diversity. The species of plants and animals around us, collectively called biodiversity. Biodiversity is a biological asset available on Earth, consisting of all natural habitats, rivers, oceans, deserts, forests, mountains, and plains. It's a beautiful and natural bonding between us and natural environment in which we live. On Earth, every species is dependent on other species, and they together form a perfect circle and help in keeping the surrounding in a balanced state. The beauty of biodiversity attracts the world. So guys, it's a duty to preserve biodiversity and maintain ecological balance. Now, there are many simple ways of protecting biodiversity, but we need to raise awareness amongst people, amongst our societies and communities too. Our small steps can help to protect our biodiversity. For example, by using recycled products, by purchasing eco-friendly things, by prefer walking instead of driving vehicles, by plant more trees, by setting up gardens in our homes as well. Thus, we all need to understand that we and the rest of all species on Earth are interconnected. We just need a green recovery that tackles the biodiversity crisis and at the same time kickstarts an ambitious decade of systematic change that builds resilient economies, healthy communities, and a thriving natural world as well as biodiversity. Thank you.